and welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul. I know some of you guys have been really waiting on this, and so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. Only did 2 transactions. You guys know that when I go to the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, my goal is to always pick up hand soaps to last me to the next semi-annual sale, because usually I can find hand soaps that are 75% off, so I love to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and reach in here and start pulling things out. Alright, so my first bag, I did find some 75% off. I did find some 75% off hand soaps, and so I bought a couple of these. I don't even know how many I have, but I probably got about at least 15 of these right here. And this is just a sweet cinnamon pumpkin nourishing hand soap, and yeah, I got these for like $1 and some change. You cannot beat that price, and I actually do love sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I can use this all year round, so I picked up a couple of these. The champagne toast, now this was not 75% off, this was in the 50% off bin, but I do love this scent, so I went ahead and picked this up, and so I got this around $3 and something. Of course I used my coupon, but still. So yeah, I got champagne toast, and then I picked up a couple of these. This is the fresh sparkling snow, and this smells so good. It's like a, what do it smell like? I love this though. Oh yeah, it's definitely a fruity smell. Kind of puts you in the mind of champagne toast a little bit. So if you like that one, you'll definitely like this too. And it matches my kitchen, so that's why I picked up as many as I could find. I think I only got like 3 of these. So, but in this bag I have 2. And then for 75% off, I was able to find the Detox. I was out of this and I was like, oh, I hope they bring this back. So I was so excited when I saw this in the 75% off bin. I scooped up some of these. I think I got 2 of these. So yeah, it's just a nice, refreshing, clean scent to me. Perfect for summer, but I do use it all year. Like I said, in this bag is that sweet cinnamon pumpkin hand soap for 75% off. Now let's move on to bag number 2, which is right here. And so yeah, this is bag number 2. Let me just see what's in here. Okay. I got 2 of these for next year. These are just the little gift bags that they were selling this year, and they were selling these for $2.95. I got these for 50 cents each. So yeah, I'm gonna put these away for next year. 2 of the marshmallow flurries. I think I did anyway. Yeah, I got 2 of the marshmallow flurries right here, and I don't know what this smells like, but anything marshmallow is usually something that I'm gonna love. So I got ahead and bought 2 of these. Snow, love the repeat of the champagne toast along with the Detox here. And then I did pick up this Detox body wash. I think I got 2 of these. Let me see. No, I only got 1 of these. 1 Detox. And so yeah, this one's a little bit gunky, a little bit. You know how the bins get a little dirty, because like I said, I did not go the first day of the sale. I went like 3 or 4 days in. So yeah. Well, there's a story behind that. I don't even know if I should tell you. Well, I'll go ahead and tell you. So my husband actually had to work the day after Christmas, which is the day this semi-annual sale starts, and I didn't want to lug around my kids because you know they're out of school. I did not want to lug them around to the sale with me because I like to enjoy myself without bringing them. They do not like going in the store, so I just waited until the weekend where I could shop in peace. This is the mineral body wash cleanser, so I got 1 of those. I only got 3 of their body washes. These were 75% off, I think. Yeah, I think these were 75% off. So I got the winter candy apple because I paid like $3 for these. Yeah, winter candy apple. I've always smelled it in the store, but have never picked it up. But I decided to give it a try because I saw my girl Tina Marie rave about it. So I just had to try it because she loves it so much. So, oh yeah, it's nice. I mean, it does have, to me, it smells a little bit like, got 'tis the season candle, which can be a little bit like crazy glue smelling to me. So I will try this. Hopefully I like it. It smells tolerable. right now. And you know what? Sometimes it smells good, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I get that crazy glue smell. I don't know. What's wrong with my nose, guys? Because I know so many people love this one. But I don't know. Vanilla Bean Noel. And I have had this one before. This is a oldie but goodie for me. Just straight up vanilla. I love this one. So good. And then I got the Get Happy White Peach Sangria. And so yeah, it just looks like this. This has been out before too. And it's really nice. Just peaches. Nice light peach smell. So yeah. 4 more of these sweet cinnamon pumpkins. I had to get up to my total of $40 so I could use my coupon. So yeah, got 4 more of these. This bag, I got 2 of these cranberry peach hand soaps. So yeah, I don't know whether I would like these or not, because peach can be hit or miss for me, and I'm not really a big cranberry girl, but the packaging looked nice and it's nice. It's not bad. So I'm going to give it a try. I'll probably give one of these to my mom and then just keep one for myself, because like I said, I'm not a real big cranberry girl. But the packaging was so cute, and actually the selection wasn't that great. So yeah. And so that is all that I have in that bag. Another one of these Bath & Body Works in my annual sale hauls that I might do. I'm going to say it's not going to be a big one, because the only thing I really need are wallflowers. And the only reason that I would buy some is if I find some for 75% off. So yeah, if you guys want me to record that one, leave me a comment below and let me know that you would like to see that as well. So yeah, that is all that I have for now. I'm going to record my Victoria's Secret haul right after this, so stay tuned for that one. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.